Next, I want to show you how to set up your business profile within Bulla. So where you go onto this top right icon, here you'll see the name of your business or username that you used to log into Bulla, or rather register into Bulla. Then next, where you need to go is here under settings. So this menu is the same as this menu here. You can go to administration and then tap on configuration. So this will work the same. It will take you to this form. So here, this is where you set up entire stuff about your account. For example, you have the business name. You can select the category of your business. Say if your business is a pharmacy, is a supermarket, is a retail shop. Any of these options you can select. And then you put your address. For example, any address that will be used in your business. For example, I'll use this auto-populated one. So this can just fill some of the data about your business. And then in the ticket footer, I can say thank you for shopping with us, or stuff like that. And then here, this will help us to auto-generate for you your free website again. So here I can say Classic Villa or C Villa at Bulla.Africa. So this will be your e-commerce page that will automatically be generated for free. And then here you need to upload your logo. So let's say you can pick a logo from my computer. I can just select any for now. Let's say if I selected these for Bulla. Alright, let me select something like that. So that's my logo. Alright, so you have an issue, but once that's sorted, we'll just have this logo updated, and then you can say in that. So I'll check it out, the error, and then once the logo is updated, allow price edit on the sale. This one will allow you to give discounts and stuff like that on sale. If your product is $100 and then you want to sell it at say $80, you can edit before selling, and then that one will capture the 20 as the discount. Then you can show the buying price on across all the products. For example, when you're viewing them on the point of sale, you will be able to see each item with their prices there. And also you can turn on the quantity so that you can see 10 of these items that are existing in the system. This one is used to allow either negative sales, where you want to allow negative sales or not. So you might say if the stock is depleted, no more sale for that particular item, and vice versa. For example, the payment option that you'll be having, you can either turn them on or off depending on what you need. So these will be changing depending on the selection that you have picked, and also depending on your collection. For other countries, you'll have card, cash, and other payment options, say PayPal and stuff. So these will be changing depending on the country that you selected and the particular type of business that you selected here. For business, different business will have different checkout reports. Then that's it. So from there, these here you go. You have set up your business. Then you can save your changes. So next, we'll be going to how to add products and categories. So I'll be showing you up that next in the next tutorial. Thank you.